Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to be replacing the striker bolts in this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need these parts or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The first thing you want to do is make sure your tailgate is down. This vehicle doesn't have a tailgate, but open up your tailgate, and then we're going to remove this left rear taillight. On ours, we're going to use a Phillips-Head screwdriver. Take these two Phillips-Head screws out. On your vehicle, it may possibly be a Torx screw, or it could be a Phillips-Head screw. Take that screw out, and we'll take this one out. Then we're going to grab the taillight. Just grab from underneath here, and we're going to pull it straight back. You're gonna have to force it a little bit. There we go. There's two pins right there that hold the taillight in. Sometimes they get a little stuck. You can set the taillight aside. Now we're gonna use a 15mm wrench and a Torx, a T40 socket and a ratchet. That'll go right there, and the wrench will go here. Just gonna loosen this up. It's a little loose, should be able to do it by hand. And pull that striker right out. Here's the old striker bolt. Here's the new striker bolt from 1aauto.com. As you can see, it's got the same shape. It's got the same Torx, got the same threads on the backside, same washer. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Okay, now we're gonna install the new striker bolt. I'm gonna just take the old nut, get it installed. Now this vehicle is pretty rusty, so you can see the location of where it was before. Same with the inside. If you check, you can see the position of where the striker bolt was before. You could also mark this before you take it out. Just take a marker and mark around it. Now I'll take my T40 and a ratchet, and I'm going to take a 15mm socket on a torque wrench, and I'm going to torque this to 26 foot-pounds. I can do the same with the other side. Now we can reinstall the taillight, line the pins up right here, and just push. Just like that. Take our screws, get the screws started, and just snug the screws down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.